Welcome back to AW Technologies. In today's video, we're diving into FlexClip, an easy-to-use online video editor loaded with AI tools, templates, and stock media. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, FlexClip makes it simple to produce professional quality videos, no advanced editing skills required. Let's take a closer look at its features and see how it really performs. Open your browser and search for FlexClip AI. I'll also leave the link in the description below. This is what the landing page should look like. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up at the top right corner. You can continue with Google or manually enter your email and password. For a faster setup, I'll click Continue with Google. Here's the main interface. One thing I really like about FlexClip is how simple and intuitive it is. It includes powerful AI tools like AI Video Creator, AI Text-to-Speech, AI Image-to-Image, auto subtitles, and even a screen recorder, all without downloading extra software. FlexClip also offers a built-in library of stock videos, images, and music, saving tons of time when creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. As you can see, there are even intro video templates you can customize to match your brand style. If you're a beginner or a content creator looking for quick, professional results without spending hours editing, FlexClip is definitely worth trying. The low credit cost makes it easy to experiment with its AI features, and the search bar at the top helps you quickly find the perfect template for your project. Let's click on AI Tools on the left panel to explore some of the amazing features of FlexClip. As we can see here, there are several exciting tools available, such as AI Video Generator, AI Image-to-Image, AI Text-to-Image, subtitling and speech, and many more useful options. Let's go ahead and explore a few of them. I'll begin with the AI Video Generator. Here's what its interface looks like. Click here to select the model you prefer for generating your video. There are 3 main models you can choose from: Standard, Pro, or Ultra. You can also explore other models based on your preference, but I'll leave mine set to Pro for now. Next, click Upload to select any image you want to turn into a video. Alternatively, you can click AI Image to choose from FlexClip's sample images or previously generated images. I've uploaded a random image. In the prompt box, let's enter a simple prompt like, "They are walking side by side and talking happily." You can type any prompt you want, depending on the image you've chosen. You can set the video duration to either 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Then there's the AI SFX feature, which adds sound effects to your video. You can toggle it on or off as needed. Once everything is ready, click Generate. It will take a few seconds to process your video. As you can see, the result looks sharp and smooth. You can click Edit to make further adjustments or download if you're happy with the outcome. On the same page, you can also create a video using only text. To do this, click on Text to Video on the side panel. In the prompt box, enter any text prompt of your choice. Once done, select an aspect ratio that suits the platform where you plan to post your video. Then choose your preferred duration and click Generate. If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and download the video. Let's also enable the sound effect option on this same video to see how it enhances the overall experience. The next tool we're going to test is the text-to-image feature. Click on AI Text-to-Image to open it. Then, select the model you'd like to use. For now, I'll leave mine set to Google Nano Banana. In the prompt section, write or paste your desired prompt. After that, choose your preferred style from the available options. If you want the AI to base its generation on a specific example, you can upload a reference image. Finally, select the number of images you'd like to generate and click Generate to create your images. Lastly, let's try out the AI music generation feature. As you can see, the interface is clean and simple. In the prompt box, type any prompt of your choice and then select the music style you want. You can even choose multiple styles if you'd like. Next, set the duration of your song. If you already have your own lyrics, enable the Self option and paste them in. If not, leave that option disabled, and FlexClip will automatically generate the music based on your prompt. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After a few moments, your song will be ready. Let's play it and hear how it sounds. If you like the result, click Download to save it. You can also explore the sound effect feature from the side panel. Simply enter any prompt to generate the sound effect you need, then click Generate and listen to the result. Pretty impressive, right? If you're a beginner or a content creator who wants quick results without spending hours editing, FlexClip is definitely worth checking out. Its low credit cost makes it easy to experiment with all these AI tools. If you'd like to try FlexClip yourself, use the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to AW Technologies, and let me know in the comments which FlexClip feature you'd like me to explore next.